Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to tackle the basic calculator problem. This is a classic coding interview question that tests your ability to handle string parsing and order of operations using data structures. Here is the challenge. We are given a string representing a mathematical expression. This string contains non-negative integers, plus signs, minus signs, and opening and closing parentheses. Our goal is to evaluate this expression and return the final result. Let's look at some examples. 1 plus 1 is simple, giving us 2. But things get interesting with spaces and parentheses. Notice in the third example how the nested parentheses and mixed operations need to be evaluated in a specific order to get the correct answer of 23. Why is this tricky? First, parentheses force us to change the order of operations. We must evaluate the deepest parentheses first. Second, we can have nested structures. Third, we need to parse multi-digit numbers from the string correctly. And finally, we have to manage positive and negative signs carefully as they distribute. The best tool for this job is a stack. A stack follows the last-in, first-out principle. It allows us to pause our current calculation when we see an opening parenthesis, save our current state, solve the subproblem inside, and then resume where we left off. We will need 4 main things: a result variable for our running total, a sign variable where 1 represents positive and negative 1 represents negative, a current number variable to build digits, and finally, a stack to store our context when we dive into parentheses. We start by iterating through the string. If we see a digit, we cannot just take it alone. We must check if the next character is also a digit. We use the formula current number times 10 plus the digit to build the full integer, like turning the characters 1, 2, and 3 into the number 123. When we encounter a plus or minus sign, it means the current number is complete. We add it to our result using the current sign. Then, we update the sign variable to match the new operator, preparing for the next number. When we see an opening parenthesis, it is time to save our state. We push the current result and the current sign onto the stack. Then, we reset the result to 0 and the sign to positive 1. This effectively gives us a fresh slate to calculate the value inside the parentheses. When we see a closing parenthesis, the sub-expression is done. First, we add the last number to our local result. Then, we pop from the stack. We multiply our local result by the sign we pop to handle cases like a negative sign before the parenthesis. Finally, we add the saved result we pop to combine everything back together. This solution is very efficient. The time complexity is big O of n because we process each character exactly once. The space complexity is also big O of n, as in the worst case of deeply nested parentheses, our stack grows proportionally to the input size. To recap, we solve the basic calculator problem by iterating through the string and using a stack to handle recursion depth. We build numbers digit by digit and carefully manage signs. This approach ensures we respect mathematical rules and handle all edge cases correctly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.